Hi, Kate here from Cloud Depot. In this video, we'll be introducing payment profiles. To get started, log into the Cloud Depot platform. Navigate to Recurring Payments, click Configuration, then select Payments Profiles under the Payment Setup tab. Now you'll see a list of your existing payments profiles. Payment profile can be assigned to one or more customers. If a customer doesn't have a profile assigned, they'll automatically use the default payment profile. In this example, we're going to create a new one. To do that, click Create. We're going to name our profile SME Customers, and then enter a description, then click Save Changes. At the bottom, several tabs will appear: Auto Payment, Notifications, Accounting, and Surcharges. Let's walk through what each of these tabs mean. First, under Auto Payment, you can define automatic payment rules. You could select from a number of options. We're going to select Managed Services Rule. For Period Rule, this allows you to delay automatic payment for a set period after the invoice is due. This is helpful for customers who forget they're on autopay and end up paying invoices manually. Credit Card Failed Rule. This sets how many times the system will retry a failed credit card payment. We'll set this for 2 retries. When a payment fails, the customer receives an email and a link to the portal where they can update their payment method or pay manually. Once the retry limit is reached, automatic payments will be disabled for that customer, and both the customer and you will be notified via email. Click Save to apply these settings. Note that direct debits and ACH follow a fail once rule due to their low fail rates. If one fails, you'll receive an email and need to follow up directly with the customer. Next, let's go to the Notifications tab. Email templates used here are managed under Email and Branding, which we cover in another video. Here you can configure what happens when a charge fails, set up email receipts, and enable internal notifications for your team. You could even specify which email addresses receive notifications or opt out completely. Click Save Notifications when you're done. Now onto the Accounting tab. By default, payments are automatically applied to invoices. You also have the option to include a custom payment description. This is helpful if you work with multiple payment providers and want to identify which one processed the payment. Click Save Changes. Now let's look at surcharges. These apply to credit card payments only. You can set different surcharge rates for each profile. We'll set this one at 1.35%. You can assign it to an account code and choose whether to add it as a line item on the invoice. There are also advanced options. If surcharges are added as a line item, you can choose whether to always create a surcharge invoice, never create one, or use the system default. We recommend leaving the system default. You can also enable automatic rounding adjustment. Sometimes invoices slightly differ between Cloud Depot and Xero due to rounding. This feature adds a line item to ensure totals are aligned between both systems. Click Save Changes. The payment profile is now saved. Return to the Payment Profile section and you'll see a new profile, SME Customers, listed. Click the question mark icon to view a summary, including any attached payment rules. You'll see the Managed Service Rule is linked. Click Customers to view who is assigned. Currently, there are none. Now, let's assign a customer to the new profile. Go to the Customers section, search Able Manufacturing, click View Customer Details. Able is now using the default payment profile. Change this to SME Customers and click Save Changes. Able Manufacturing are now using the new payment profile. Once again, click the question mark icon to review the profile. You can easily switch the customer to another profile, such as Managed Services, and click Select to apply it. Thank you for watching this video. Be sure to check out our next video where we walk through setting up auto payment rules.